Hi, I'm Matt Beebe with Mazak Music in San Marcos, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install an acoustic sound hole pickup. Now, sound hole pickups are a great way to amplify an acoustic guitar if it doesn't have any sort of pickups or electronics already installed in the guitar. It's a fairly quick procedure and there's no modifications necessary to the guitar. Now, there's a wide variety of different types of sound hole pickups you can use, and a lot of them will run you anywhere between about $50 and $75. And here's one here. Again, these pickups are really easy to install. They have a couple different sorts of materials used at the sides, which are going to slip directly into the sound hole. This particular one is a rubber type of material that's going to protect the guitar and the pickup itself. To install this sound hole pickup, simply place the pickup below the strings, apply a little pressure to the side, and there you are. I'm Matt Beebe with Mazak Music in San Marcos, Texas, and I just showed you how to install an acoustic sound hole pickup.